Hi, welcome to Godrej Properties. Godrej Group, established in 197, holds a legacy of almost 126 years as India's one of the most trusted and diversified conglomerates, renowned for its commitment to innovation, sustainability and excellence. Godrej Group spans a variety of industries including appliances, consumer goods, real estate, agriculture and more.
Godrej Properties, India's #1 real estate brand, present in over 17 plus cities. Here we are now introducing Godrej Evergreen Square, inspired by New York style greens. Welcoming all to experience unparalleled elegance with our project designed for those who seek the best. Nestled in a prime location, our homes provide a perfect blend of exclusivity and convenience.
Pune, with 7.2 million residences, becomes India's 7th most popular metropolitan region, a hub for IT, manufacturing and education. Pune is India's one of the largest IT hubs, hosting top global companies. Pune, also as an automobile and manufacturing hub, plays a vital role in India's industrial growth. Known as Oxford of East, Pune is also home to some of the most prestigious educational institutes. Repeatedly ranked as India's most livable city, Pune offers an excellent quality of living, making it the perfect destination for both living and investment.
Hinjewadi Phase 3 is also known as Investors' Paradise. It offers significant investment potentials due to its proximity to the IT industries, growth in the real estate market, infrastructure development, and strategic location, proximity to the IT industries, infrastructure development, and growth in the real estate market.
Godrej Evergreen Square, spanned over beautiful 11 acres, is a low-density gated development surrounded by serene Saidri hills and lush greenery. The project comprises of 8 towers providing exclusive lifestyle inspired by New York-style greens, with 4 acres of landscaping, a 3-themed garden and a central water plaza.
Whether for residential, commercial or mixed-use development, Hinjewadi promises strong returns and sustainable growth. Talking about the location advantages our project holds, so it is based right on the Megapolis Circle. It is 1 minute from the metro station, 2 minutes from TCS and Tech Mahindra. It is 5 minutes from Embassy Quadrant Business Park, 7 minutes to Cognizant and KPIT, 8 minutes to Infosys, Capgemini and Hexaware. It is 10 minutes away from Wipro. Also, it is 4 minutes away from Pawar Public School. And Grand High Street is in just 12 minutes from the project.
With 27,000 square feet of area, the clubhouse is a landmark itself, offering a 6,000 plus square feet area of co-working space, double-heighted badminton court, and an infinity swimming pool on the clubhouse terrace. For your leisure and relaxing days, our project offers a beautiful spa, salon, and a steam room. Keeping your fitness concerns in mind, we have gym, yoga, and Zumba. We also have cafeteria, library and creche for your childcare.
Our project holds 40 plus world-class amenities including 1 kilometer jogging trail, skating rinks, multi-purpose court, deck cricket pitch, mashan and fruit orchard and much more.
For guests and events, we have thoughtfully included a fully equipped banquet hall along with fully furnished guest rooms to cater your special occasions. So why wait? This is the perfect opportunity for both end users and investors to secure a home in Pune's most promising location.
At Godrej Evergreen Square, you're not just investing in real estate, you're investing in a lifestyle of true luxury, greenery and world-class amenities, and the unmatched trust of Godrej Property.
So come and experience elegance, comfort and exclusivity like never before. Your dream home awaits you.